Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Parlor application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the search box and then just type in the Parlor application name. Now once you start the search and you find the Parlor application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Now once you tap on install, this will begin the download and installation of the Parlor application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and when you see the open button, you can go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the Parlor application. Now once you open up the application, you can continue with signing up or logging in to your existing account to start using the application immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Parlor application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.